In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the new Expensify platform and efficiently manage your expense reports. Let's get started by diving into your Expensify workspace. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the right page that displays your workspace overview. This area serves as the hub for managing your financial documentation, from expenses to reports. Familiarizing yourself with this layout is going to be key in streamlining your workflow. Now, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of options that allow you to seamlessly navigate through different sections. Click on Reports. This section contains all the reports associated with your account, providing a comprehensive view of what you have submitted and what needs your attention. Next, head over to Expenses. This option will redirect you to all your uncategorized or categorized expenses. It's like your personal ledger, showing detailed transactions and purchases that help keep your finances on track. By consistently reviewing this tab, you'll easily stay on top of your financial activity. The next step involves selecting the desired expense report you want to submit. You'll see a list of reports generated based on the expenses logged within a given period. Take your time to scroll through and select the report that aligns with your current task or requirement. Ensuring each expense is correctly categorized is crucial to accurate budget management. Once you've selected the correct report, move your cursor to the far right side of your screen. Here you will find the Submit button. Clicking on this button is your final step in sending the expense report for approval. Make sure to review everything before hitting Submit, because once it's been sent, any modification might require extra steps to amend. Keep in mind that accurately managing and submitting expenses is not only beneficial for personal financial tracking, but also ensures accountability and transparency within an organization. Managing your expenses with precision makes reimbursement easier and helps avoid any confusion in financial statements. There you have it, a straightforward path to effectively navigating new Expensify and ensuring your expense reports are submitted properly. By following these steps, you'll be able to save time and maintain better financial records. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, efficient expense management is just a few clicks away.